Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, what's good? What's popping?
Okay.
Your girl Shay is here with Mr. Snacks.
Yeah.
As you can see. We got some Chinese chicken, some house lo mein, and egg rolls, some sweet and sour sauce. And we have some Stella Rosa for our drink today. It is the watermelon flavor. So I'm gonna pour this up for y'all, and we're gonna get to snacking.
Snacking is right.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Babe, you want some?
I guess.
Here go y'all ASMR.
Snacky. What's that? Oh, okay. You're showing up. Skills. Thank you. So why you gotta pour mine over the like?
Because they are. First of all, you've been talking the whole ASMR, so they can't even enjoy it. And they just supposed to hear
ASMR?
the pouring. That's when you hear the pouring of the sound.
Then unpour and repour.
Anyways, y'all, let's snack. Okay. Let me taste this, cause.
Who drink wine before they eat food? That's just not cool.
Thank you. He had bought this for me, y'all. You ready?
How I'm gonna eat this? I keep asking you this question for like 5 minutes now. Let me see, to be exact, 5 minutes and 30 something seconds.
And I told you the answer too. So why you gonna get brand new on this camera?
No, but I wanna know how I'm gonna do it, cause the last time I tried this thing, it was with some steak.
The last time you tried it, you made it happen.
I didn't watch my video because I was embarrassed by
the last time you said that somebody called you a name and everything because you was complaining.
Oh really? Somebody called me a name? What's that? I need to go watch that video though.
You ain't gonna find that comment though.
Oh, so can I take this down?
No, babe, they gotta see your food.
Oh, right, Snackies. That's why you're here. You want to see my food. You want to see me kill it, hey. Look at that steam, hey. What do you call that stuff we was pouring that? Let me. What you was talking about
the ASMR? Don't even talk about ASMR because you don't even know what it is. How you gonna try to use it in a sentence and y'all don't even know what it is?
Hey, let me pour some of this sauce on my noodles and you guys see the ASMR. Listen to the ASMR.
Alright, so y'all,
you see that steam though? Steam, that ASMR.
No, the steam is just the steam.
Yeah.
ASMR is the sound.
Oh, so what does it stand for? What does the acronym stand for?
I actually don't even know, and I'm not going to even try to pretend like I know.
I know S is sound, R is probably for relation or some relaxation, and the A is for probably audio. But audio and sound can't be the same sentence. They can't, it don't make sense. Audio and sound is the same thing, so that would have been
audio sound.
The A would probably be, what's the A though?
The A is like audio sensory something.
That makes sense too. It could be audio sensory relaxation or something.
I don't know.
Something like
Anyways.
that. Anyways. But I'm struggling right now. Let me just eat my wings, cause that's easier. I don't understand this. Let's eat this food.
So, I decided I was not going to tell him what we was going to be doing in the video.
Yeah, I gotta ask what I'm going to do. If I'm going to bring the game or you going to bring the game, you know what I mean?
So, what we're doing, that's the hot sauce, babe.
Babe, I know.
Oh, okay.
Don't do me like that. Not because I didn't get your sauce.
I had my leftovers though, thank God. They was about to try it.
Yeah.
This wouldn't pay extra for some duck sauce. No, we needed some extra, some sweet and sour sauce. So
let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna do the accent challenge.
Oh, that's what you want to do? No, I'm not doing that. Not today. No, what am I doing? No.
Man.
That's not possible.
It is possible. We already got the list of words.
Not
the list
today.
of words.
Not for today.
We already got the list of words, bro.
That's not what the snacky requests.
Yes, yes.
And let me get a napkin while you're at it, please.
The napkin's over there by you.
Why you gotta be by me?
Cause they want to know space over here, honey.
Listen, I'm the messy one. So tell me.
Alright, the first word.
What? I'm supposed to pronounce the word?
Yo, and I'm supposed to pronounce the word.
No, you got something on your chin. That's what you need to pronounce. Oops, sorry. Forgot what was on camera. You can't edit it out.
I can edit it out, but I don't got my mirror over here.
You want my mirror, sis?
Yup. Not you want my mirror, sis. First of all, that's my mirror. It's my lip. It was my lipstick.
Yep.
It's still on there?
I'm surprised.
Oh well, I don't care.
It's gone.
So the first word, how you say cucumber?
You just said it.
No, you have to say it in your native language, and I'm saying it in my country native language.
Cucumber is cucumber, bro.
Say it again.
Cucumber is cucumber. The green something? Yeah. Cucumber. Ain't nobody got time for all that pronunciation. When they say to the market, they say make sure you get 2 pounds of cucumber, 3 pounds of cucumber.
They said to get what?
3 pounds of cucumber. Saturday morning you go market, go get cucumber.
Alright.
For Sunday dinner.
And I say cucumber.
Okay.
Neither one of us really said the way it's spelled.
Clearly. So why not have Siri actually pronounce it? Because Siri is supposed to be English. So people can hear pronunciation. Since we can't pronounce it according to people.
Alright, next word. Oh, you talking about like...
But it's cucumber. Cucumber. Anyways, what you say?
Next word.
Babe, why is it coming up?
Cause I keep biting on this and my lip ain't but so big.
I'm surprised it even reached under there. Cause your lip ain't so big. Now I'm like, whoa, that was supposed to be my issue. But now I don't wear lipstick, so. Sorry.
Next word.
What's it?
Idiot.
Bro, it's the same way I say it, you say it.
No, say it.
It's the same way you say it.
Say it.
Yeah, idiot dog.
Y'all pronounce it with an E, a long E in the beginning.
Yeah, it's full that idiot. I'm going down with time for your idiotness. It's a foolishness, idiotness.
Alright.
Okay, next. Where my stuff go?
You ain't got no lipstick on, remember?
Oh, vegetable?
Now you trying to say it real fast.
No, that's what it says.
I peep game. You try to say it real fast. Say it again.
You vegetable?
Vegetable.
When it's like that's how it said. We said vegetable. You want some steamed veg? You want some steamed vegetable? Okay. What you want?
Bro, y'all break it down. Vegetable.
No, we didn't say it like that. You want some vegetable? Alright. Coming up. What's next?
How y'all say certificate?
Same way you say it.
No.
You want a gift certificate?
That's why I don't want to say the word before him, y'all.
I'm sorry, I said the same way you say it, bro.
Say it.
Gift certificate. You want a gift certificate? You want a gift certificate?
He practicing, y'all. He enunciating the word on purpose.
Next. Go for your certificate. Let me see it.
My phone keep going.
Alright, so let me see your next word then, since you know I said it before.
Yeah, I want you. Number 5.
Let me see. What? Funeral.
No, number 5. Why you gonna skip? That was that what? No, you gonna try to skip that whole word. You know what you was doing, bro.
I said the next one.
Nah, that is not the next one. So you don't know how to count. That's what you saying?
Funeral next one.
No, funeral is not the next one.
Well, that's where we at though. We're moving to somebody. Funeral on here.
Say number 5.
Funeral, bro.
Say number 5. You gotta play.
No, I just said one. You can't have me go back. You gotta say the next one. That's not
Alright. Funeral.
fair. You just repeat after me.
Funeral. Say number 5.
Alright, number 6.
Number 5.
Number 7. I'm not saying number 5. You say number 5.
How you say it?
Number 7. Let me say number 7 real quick.
Adrian.
This is funny because It's funny because
say it.
when I used to when I used to work at the bank, we used to do audit, and the audit is in the form of a survey. So we have to ask like customer satisfaction questions on the survey. So people, you know, from different parishes in Jamaica, they would come and say, "Oh, we have to do survey. 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 Survey." Different people pronounce it different way.
Right.
In different part of the country, but
Right.
you know, but yeah, Mr. Survey. Mr. Survey, see me.
But that's not the one we on. You gonna skip to number 7. You can't omit words. Say number 5.
Wrist.
Let me tell y'all what he done did now. He was rehearsing it in his head.
Nah, bro. Pick up the wrist. Pick up the wrist.
He was rehearsing that in his head.
I wasn't rehearsing it, bro.
Y'all, he wanted to skip wrist.
It sounded like I was just saying risky business, right? But, yeah, that's what we say. Wrist. We say it like that. Wrist. Where you on your wrist? Yo, where you on your wrist, dog?
Wrist.
And people are like, what? What's a wrist? Like your wrist, bro. Your wrist.
They throw me with that whole foot situation too, but anyway.
Which foot one?
When you were talking about my leg, but you be saying my foot.
Oh yeah, your leg, your foot. Anything from your hip down is your foot, bro. That's how we roll. Your foot, everything from your hip down is your foot, bro.
Alright. What was the number? Oh, number 8. You gotta say you got all of your egg roll stuff in my sweet and sour house?
Number 8 is the weather. What's the weather for today?
Weather.
It's supposed to rain today according to the weatherman.
So y'all put a whole D in there. A D and a A.
Weatherman said it's gonna rain today. No school.
Y'all, this next one, oh my gosh. I be weak.
Bro, Flim. Weak boy that, bro. You can take all the film if you want. You can flip my film.
Say it again.
You know them you back in the day where you used to use cameras with film?
What who?
Film.
Y'all, he's trying to say film.
Yeah, film camera. You know like Flintstone? The Flintstone, they ain't got a movie.
Huh?
There wasn't a movie. There was something called
Flintstones?
Flintstones.
I'm surprised you know about that.
Interesting. What's next? Shrimp. How did that even start coming from here?
I think I was thinking about grandpa.
Oh. Hey.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Horse.
Say 11.
Violence. 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 No. No to violence. Say no to violence.
See, let me tell you. My family from Tickets. And that's country. So I think when I was coming up with some of these words, I was thinking about how grandpa be saying it. I forget you.
I went to school, bro.
Right. And your mama was so big on you speaking.
My mama worked in the school system.
And cool this one, yo.
You learn to talk properly. I mean, I crook. Mommy just decided to me, no, I'm sorry. But mommy saw me today and was like, what's that? And I quickly was like,
You heard up and got up out of there.
I'm like, see you later. I'll be back. Funny. Anyways, moving on. Next topic. Family. And we say family. Family though, that's how we pronounce it.
Yeah, y'all pronounce it with a B.
Family.
Right.
Yo, family, come here, family. Beg your bills, family. You know what I mean?
Right.
Me I beg you $100. Beg you $100, family. Me I beg you $100, family. Family come from foreign, where bring for me daddy. Family rich. Oh, sorry, too loud.
Okay, yo, they got it. Y'all pronounce it with a B.
Family, you know? And you know, so some people them say that though.
Some people what?
Some people, Kingston and them say family. Horse. I don't get that. Like you can't get me to say it the right way. You gotta ask grandpa to say that. I'm gonna go say, ass, yo, you alright, ass?
Right.
No, why for that? No, right, no ass on here. Yo, but and that's serious note.
Y'all don't pronounce y'all H's, so I don't know how you trying to say it all proper.
Say donkey.
Donkey. So the funny thing in our house is clearly both of us have accents. So when I say something that don't sound so English, like he be like, what?
What? I about to say Abby. I'm like, what? I'm too sure.
That's the hilarious because I repeat myself so much when she be here.
But yeah, I miss Abby. I miss my niece.
Alright.
But yeah.
Say bottle.
What kind of bottle?
Nah, you know y'all say bottle with K's.
Yeah, we say, yo, bro, buy a buckle of Hennessy for me. That we say, buckle of Hennessy.
Oh.
Buckle of Hennessy, dog. Yo, see a 10 pack, buy a pack of Heineken. Buy a buckle of Hennessy for me there. Buy a buckle of white rum.
He trying to make sure he enunciate these words.
When they go to the store, they say, yo, let me get a buckle of Hennessy today. Alright, boss. One buckle coming.
Alright, say the last word, number 15.
What? No. Somebody messaged you.
That's okay. Say number 15.
Ashley!
Seriously, bruh?
Sorry, guys. I'm gonna charge Ashley for interrupting my video. Just kidding. What is that one? Paddle? What the hell is paddle? Like
you cheated. You cheated on every word.
You paddle in like the water? Paddle?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what. Okay.
How the country people say it, Adrian? How y'all really say it, Adrian?
That's a tricky one. I don't know. I would assume they would say paddle.
Y'all, he cheated throughout this whole accent time.
Paddle, paddle.
Y'all don't pronounce it with a G?
I don't think so. I never heard that. We don't use paddle a lot though. We don't do that. We just say swim. We use swim a lot versus paddle. We don't really use that.
And y'all be calling shrimp swims.
Shrimps. Not swims. Shrimps. Shrimps.
So why you gonna act like you ain't know that when you said shrimp?
Because that's... You sound like you said Trump. Damn.
You was trying to make sure that you pronounce all these words the quote-unquote English way. The whole purpose of it is to use your native language. Your native language is patois.
Shay Snack, I think you got the wrong candidate for this. I told you. I've been telling you.
You cheated, bro.
Watch out the guy, them go spam your comments. I'm gonna say, yeah, you need to get me on the channel because him don't know my talk.
Exactly. Because he trying to make sure, he trying to act like he was not born, raised,
but the thing about
went to school, had a whole career over in Jamaica.
I answer all them based off of my best of my knowledge. And my best of my speaking abilities.
Lies you tell.
Alright, this should make me choose some words because them words are not really bring it out. That's why you should have consult with me.
Well, the one, definitely, film.
Like ear.
Say owl.
Ear.
Yeah, y'all don't say hair.
What is it?
Y'all don't pronounce the H in here.
What is it?
Say owl.
Aisle, like aisle in the store?
Yeah.
Aisle. What? And that's the same thing we say for cooking oil.
Exactly.
Yo, go get some gas aisle. You know, so it's like that. But, cane. Cane. You know what a cane is? What cane is? What's cane?
Sugar cane.
So that wasn't an accent difference. But it's the same cane. It's not cane, it's cane.
Y'all, I know y'all don't pronounce it the way we do.
But I'm gonna give you some for your next one. You could do it with Bella. Bella would be a good candidate.
Oh, Bella would.
His mama did speech and drama, so she gonna give.
But Bella got a thick accent though.
But his mommy gonna give you the the Miss Lou version of all the fatwa stuff. Miss Lou got it locked. What's that?
The duck sauce that you was supposed to be using on your egg roll, but you
No, I'm good. I'm straight.
putting all that stuff in that thing.
You done?
So y'all, he really wanted to come.
Cucumber. Lemonade. I'm really in the bottle. Oh, that's a good one.
Say that.
Pronounce that.
You pronounce it.
Pronounce that.
You pronounce first.
That's not the word I'm telling you to pronounce. Say alcohol.
Alcohol. Alcohol.
Alcohol. We say aqua. That's what we call it.
Alcohol.
Aqua.
Oh, that's another word that you said that I say funny too.
Right. Aqua. You say pass me the aqua. We call rum aqua and we call rubbing aqua. Same thing. But it's aqua.
It was one word. It was a kind of like a long word. And you said it sounded like I take forever to say the word.
You? Is it forever to say? In what context? What word is it?
I forgot, but you said
Circumstances.
I don't even remember. The thing about to cut off though.
Already? What time is it? 23 minutes?
Baby, you smashed that chicken because I really got in.
It's alright. Sorry, next time, maybe.
So that steak that's in there?
We don't need nothing else. But no steak in there. Leave my damn steak alone. You got your shrimp already.
I'm talking about for tomorrow. I gotta beat you.
I'm talking about tonight. I'm kill it when I'm watching my Nollywood movies. Love me some Nollywood. Funny enough, some of those movies you can definitely feel and get the actual culture from. Like the whole language pattern and stuff. Because they have some phrases that done.
You say you want me to say what?
Phone.
Phone.
The phone.
The phone.
Yeah, phone. You said the phone. We said phone. That's another one. I could have got that on there. You know what a styrofoam is?
Oh, I know what you're saying though.
Huh?
Styrofoam.
Yup.
Bro.
That's another one.
I had got the list from Google. Words that Jamaicans frequently mispronounce.
It's 100.
100.
That's not even sound like English, bro. Isn't it supposed to be 100? Well, 100. What? 100?
100.
100. No.
100.
Yeah, we say 100. Like dread. Like real rasta.
Both of us got different ways of saying stuff.
It's mostly the TH and the PF. TH.
But me, I struggle with S words too.
And what's that?
Like street strawberry. I be having to focus.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Focus, my dear. Get it right.
Was it communicated?
Communicate is not a trick one.
I'm trying to think of the word that you was telling me. You was like, why you say it like that? Say it again.
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
I bet you're gonna remember when the video done. You're gonna be like, you're gonna say it, I'm like, laughing out loud.
Shut up.
Too bad.
I can't even remember. I'm so disturbed that what put my house on.
This teller was a juice. Just juicy juice. It's like juicy juice. For some people, it's like juicy juice.
But I barely taste the watermelon. You can taste the watermelon?
Still tasting mascarpone mostly.
I want to taste that pineapple one.
But remember, watermelon is very light of a flavor.
But I did want to taste that watermelon one too.
But it's cool. It look like a watermelon. The pineapple one look like peas. Just saying.
You nasty.
Tell me your taste, okay? The apple.
But I'm fine.
They got the apple one.
Yeah, they got an apple. They got a red apple and a green apple.
Yeah, they got an apple one, and they got a blueberry one. I think it is called.
I didn't see blueberry. They got a mixed berry.
Some berry something.
Woo, child. So y'all, we're gonna go ahead and close out.
So where's your love?
What is it?
Oh, where's your love?
Love.
We love you, no? Love you. We say love you. We love you, no, girl.
And
Grandpa say love. Ask when Grandpa if you say love.
oh, Grandpa, man, I wish I could put Grandpa on the channel, man. Y'all will be cutting up. He don't got no filter though. They'll probably demonetize that video.
Me love you, no, here. Take care of yourself. Miss you soon.
So, yeah, be who you are. Be beautiful. Don't forget to take care of yourself because what? Self-care matters. Shouts out to our post notification person. Shouts out to you, boo. Hey, shouts out to you, boo. Hey, and y'all already know. In the words of Auntie Tabitha, y'all see I'm talking with my hands because your girl got the press on.
I'm gonna be rattling.
He don't like long nails, y'all.
I got nails too. Sorry.
Really? And the words of Auntie Tabitha, y'all have the most amazing day. But even if you can't, don't you dare go disturb nobody else's. Okay? I love you guys.
I hope you take your own advice. Don't disturb me.
You done? Or you finished?
All of them. All above.
Peace.
Oh. Peace.
You always gotta be shady. Shady ass.